Hey illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw an octopus wearing glasses. So go ahead and get your drawing materials together and we'll get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our octopus wearing glasses character. The first thing we want to do is draw a slightly curved line for the top of the octopus head here. We're going to create two sides, 1 and 2. Now this is when we get to start having a lot of fun because we get to add all 8 legs. So we're going to start here on the left and we're going to create a series of wiggly lines for all 8 of the octopus legs here. So we're going to start on the left. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now we get to work on the face of our octopus character. We're going to start with 2 circles for 2 eyes. Up here, we're just going to fill this center area here with our face and glasses. 1, and 2. And we'll want 2 pupils in here. 1, and 2. And we're going to want 2 eyebrows. 1 and 2. Now we're going to put the glasses on. So we're going to draw a couple shapes around these eyeballs here. So 1 square there. And another square there. We need to connect these. Connect those with a little line. One line there, and one over there. And the last thing we want to do is add a smile because our octopus is very happy today. We're going to add a cute little smile right there. All right, there we have the outline of our octopus character wearing glasses. So the next step that we're going to do is add some color. So go ahead and grab your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our octopus characters. The last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. All right, illustrators, great job today on your octopus characters. Those were so fun. I hope that you all enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye.